Now it's pretty clear that bunny ears pointing to the 6 o'clock position now, especially the thicker one. They are pointing to 6 o'clock position. It's now 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock a.m. September 7th, early morning, 2 a.m. and the bunny ears pointing to the 6 o'clock position. I guess since the moon will set after 4 hours from now, within 4 hours we may see a lot of orientation as well. It's not only that, I think we're gonna see a lot of orientation, because the orientation starts to take its place the last 3 hours. The last 3 hours, really, it's very effective for taking that action, Sam, which gives me an indication about the last 3 hours from 11 o'clock until now. I guess moon starts passing some axes of the pyramid. I mean, the axis that left from you, I mean at your sitting point, since there is a gap between me and you 6 hours, I guess one of the axes is that, and the other one, which is here, I think it's an African region or area, since the gap between me and Cape Town is only 2 hours. Only 2 hours. So now if it's like 2 o'clock here, they do have a midnight there, 12 o'clock. If it's 2 a.m. they're 00:00 a.m. So I guess since it's the last 2 hours or 3 hours, actually less than 3 hours, it starts taking that action and starts rotates the way that we saw it. I think because of that, because of the pyramid lines, pyramid angles, you know, between two faces of the pyramids there is an angle. That angle which I'm talking about, that's the axis, which I call it axis. It starts giving us that orientation, because that bunny ears has to show there differently, like the bunny ears when it showed to me at 12 o'clock position or 2 o'clock position, between 1 and 2 o'clock position, then it has to show something like that at that time. I mean, the time that it rises to me, it's sitting at you, so it has to give different views, but then it will take the same path, the same face, but since you are at the corner, it will not take more than 90 degrees, which you prove it by yourself. The orientation has to be maximally 90 degrees. I do have here more than or almost 180 degrees, which I'm trying now to prove it. And then I would like actually to see this moon, how it acts at UK. At UK, I guess we have a lot of things to discuss about, a lot of things to share there. It's a weird position, unique position for UK, as well as Japan, which I'm really get shocked when the moon sits over there southwest. south southwest. Since it is at northern hemisphere, it has to set at north northwest. But really strange phenomenon for Japan when the moon sets at south southwest. It's totally confuses me. Either Japan, it's not where it's supposed to be. That means, which I guess or I predict or I guesstimate, that Japan, as it's an island and it's like a tongue, as I said before, the sharp area, it's pointing to the edge, which is, I guess, your edge, mate. Your edge, not any other edge, your edge. So that's what I believe, mate. Let's find out the problem of this camera. I guess I have a problem of zooming.